At Home Performance Matters, we don't sell a lot of solar because when we go into a home, we oftentimes find so much waste and inefficiency that people choose to fix that instead of installing solar. We love solar and we're excited to install it, but as we make homeowners aware of the waste and the inefficiency, when they eliminate that, they reduce their need for solar.
While a typical solar installer wants to sell the homeowner as much solar as possible, we are thinking about the homeowner's comfort and how to minimize their electrical bills every month. So by addressing energy efficiency first, we're able to help the homeowner to actually purchase less solar panels. It's not in our best interest to sell a lot of solar before energy efficiency because then we would simply be powering waste.
Sometimes we'll go in and we do energy assessments on homes that have already had solar installed, and we just discover huge areas of waste that the homeowners were never made aware of. So at Home Performance Matters, we make sure that every homeowner only buys as much solar as they actually need.
We want to help the homeowner to devise a perfect solution for them, a custom solution that helps them to feel comfortable in their home and gives them just the right amount of electrical production. We call this the opportunity to reduce before we produce.
A net zero home is a home that produces as much energy as it uses. So it's a home that's no longer dependent upon outside energy sources.
It's working well. It's the most wonderful thing in the world is to watch your meter go backwards. I'll have $1.50 or something like that, or maybe $2 electrical bill every month, and that's nothing but regulatory fees. I do not get charged for my electricity.
We can offer typical solar photovoltaic panels from several manufacturers. We can offer a traditional inverter or micro inverters. Sometimes a homeowner wants to see the production of each individual panel, and that's where microinverters are great. We also offer energy monitoring systems, which allow a homeowner to even look on a daily basis at their web browser and find out how well their solar panel is producing energy.
The goal of Home Performance Matters is to lead the race to net zero energy. The hope is that in the future we won't be reliant any longer upon burning coal or importing oil, but that we'll all live in super efficient homes that are powered by renewable energy sources. And so the passion of our company is to be proving that that's possible now with technology that we already have at our fingertips.